Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Takenoko Gohan, which is bamboo shoot rice. I have video already how to prep bamboo shoots. So this is the spring food. It's very popular. Japan has 4 seasons and everybody likes seasons food. So you need to watch how to prep Takenoko bamboo shoot, or you can buy canned one, or you can buy already cooked one. They have some store carries those things. But this is easy. Once you have the Takenoko, the cooked bamboo, it's just prep and cook with rice. First, prep rice. Wash rice and dry it out. I have other YouTube video how to cook rice, so please check that out. I put the link on the top right. This is Abura-age, thin fried tofu. I use only one of them. The bag has 5, and I usually I put in the freezer the rest of them so I can keep it. And this one is good with miso soup. Put abura-age in boiling water to take oil out and squeeze and water out too. Now cut bamboo. The bottom part is too hard, so I cut it and toss it. And this top part is also hard. You have to cut it. This part is the close to the bottom part, and outside is hard, so I peel first, then I use the rest. Then I cut like this size. And 2 way, you can do vegan way and non-vegan way. Vegan way, you need to use dashi from kombu, the seaweeds dashi. And if it's not vegan, you can use katsuo dashi, which is the fish stock. Either way is fine. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and hopefully you want to try this Takenoko Gohan for the future. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.